fellow nurses and healthcare professionals sitting here. My name is Soham Chaudhary. I am from Basic BSc Nursing, final year student from Nazareth Training College, Washington. My research topic is a study to assess the effectiveness of plant teaching program knowledge regarding the importance of diet in prevention of cardiac problem among general population. So here what we do is first we assess the existing knowledge of the population, and on the basis of that we give plant teaching, and then we take post test, and on the basis of that we find result. So basically, what is the need of this study? So the cardiovascular disease have now become the leading causes of mortality in India. As if we look for the digits, then top five mortality rates, the first is the heart diseases. So mortality, a quarter of all mortality is attributed to cardiovascular diseases. Ischemic heart disease and stroke are the predominant cause and are responsible for more than 80% of cardiovascular deaths. So now we look for the objectives. So the objectives of the study is to assess the existing knowledge regarding the importance of diet and prevention of cardiac problem among general population. As I mentioned before that, firstly we have to assess what knowledge the people having regarding the importance of diet. As we all are the healthcare providers or nurses, so we know the value of diet. We know what the diet has impact on our daily living. So, but in the community there are a lot of people in the community, hilly areas and slums. They don't know about the diet, importance of diet. So, it's our work as a nurse, as a community health nurse, we have to give them the knowledge regarding the diet. So, first we have to assess the existing knowledge regarding the importance of diet in prevention of cardiac problem among general population. Then to evaluate the effectiveness of plant teaching on knowledge regarding the importance of diet in prevention of cardiac problem among general population. In that, what we have to do is we plant teaching, the lesson plan. So we have to teach them as per the lesson plan's objective, and then we have to evaluate how effective our lesson plan is for the people. Then to associate the finding of post-test score with selected demographic variables. Those demographic variables we selected, so we have to find the pre-test and post-test, and we have to compare those findings and find out the result. So what methodology I used in this study? So the research approach was interventional evaluative approach, as we are going to evaluate the pre-test score and post-test score. Then the research design. So the research design is one group pre-test and post-test design. Then setting of the study is the selected population of Washington district. Then sampling technique and sampling size. So samples will be selected by non-probability convenient sampling technique, and the 120 samples was there in my study. You can see the graph. In that, the pre-test score, so 0 people having poor knowledge, it means they have knowledge regarding diet, because the criteria of selecting samples was that the people are able to read, and they have some knowledge regarding the health. Then the 57.5 people having average percent people having average knowledge, and 42.5% people having good knowledge. But after administering the lesson plan, after administering plant teaching, the result getting changed. The post-test score very good 23.34, but the excellent is 76.66. So as you can see in this graph, the pre-test score and post-test score is different. So the major finding of study show that the pre-test score sample is 10.32 and post-test is 21.25 after administering plant teaching. So we can conclude it as an effective study. So in this study, from detailed analysis, it shows that post-test mean score is 21.25 and pre-test mean score is 10.35. The hypothesis is tested statistically with distribution of pre-test and post-test mean standard deviation and mean difference. There were significant association between knowledge score with education of sample, occupation, residence, monthly income, and not associated with age in year, gender of sample respectively. So, basically, healthy habits are young heart's desire. If you eat well, you can sleep well. Thank you.
Mr. Soham, I must appreciate your confidence and I must appreciate your poster because it really includes everything that we want to see as judges. Okay? But what I find is lacking is a table that should have been there stating the level of significance or comparison of means. Okay? But where you have used the T-test, students T-test, that table is not there. So that is one thing that is lacking. Now, let me ask you one personal question. How often do you take Maggie in a week?
No, ma'am, I hate Maggie.
I must pat you for that. But let me tell you, all the students who are here, all my colleagues also, each time one eats Maggie, 1 year of life is reduced of your heart. This is what is the latest research findings. So, did you include in your plan teaching anything about the junk food?
Yes, ma'am. We in plant teaching, we teach them from basic what is diet, what is the importance of diet in cardiac problems. Then we mention about what are the basic or normal occurrence of cardiac problems. Then we also mention uh, we know that cholesterol level is high, so there is more chances of cardiac problems. So we teach them that oil unsaturated जो फैट है वो कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ ऑयली एंड जंक फूड्स देन fibrous diet they can consume.
Okay, fibrous diet is okay. You said unsaturated fats and all that. You did the study on general population. Do the general public of your district know what is unsaturated fat and what it is there and all? मराठी जानते हो क्या? तुमच्या गावातल्या लोकांना अनसॅच्युरेटेड फॅट कशामध्ये असतात हे माहीत आहे का?
नाही तेच ना मग आपण जर त्यांना प्लांट टीचिंग देत आहे तर ते आपल्याला त्यावर क्रॉस क्वेश्चन करू शकतात ना कारण आपण त्यांना ती फ्रीडम दिलेलं
मला
असतं.
एक्झॅक्टली हेच सांगायचं आहे की हे सगळं खूप टेक्निकल लँग्वेजमध्ये आहे.
नाही तर आपण जेव्हा प्लांट टीचिंग देतो हे आता इथं सगळे हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल्स बसले आहे ना तर आपण त्यांना त्यांच्या भाषेमध्ये सांगत आहे पण जर ते नॉर्मल पीपल जर आपले कम्युनिटीमधले माहिती आहे ना इलिटरेट असतात किंवा कमी शिकलेले असतात तर आपण त्यांना त्यांच्याच लँग्वेजमध्ये ते सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो जेणेकरून त्यांना ते तेवढा इफेक्टिव्हली समजेल.
गुड. अनसॅच्युरेटेड फॅट्स कशामध्ये असतात?
अनसॅच्युरेटेड फॅट मॅम लाईक सीड ऑइल सोयाबीन ऑइल तर आपण त्यांना हे सांगू शकतो की सीड ऑइल सोयाबीन ऑइल तर आपण त्यांना हे सांगू शकतो की हे तुम्ही कन्झ्युम करू शकता इन लेस क्वांटिटी लाईक सीड ऑइल्स वगैरे मध्ये असते मॅम सनफ्लॉवर. थँक्यू.